Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to a simple unboxing of Dr. Sakhiya's Acne and Pimple face wash. Let's take a closer look at the packaging. First, this is the outer look of the product. The packaging is clean, minimal and professional. The design looks very simple, not flashy, which gives a clinical and a dermatologist style feel. On the front, the product name is clearly printed. It focuses on acne and pimple care. The text is easy to read and the design looks neat and well organized. The cap is strong and secure. It opens and closes smoothly. The tube shape is simple and practical, which makes it easy to use daily. The face wash has a white color and it looks clean and smooth. When I apply a small amount, it creates a good amount of foam. The leather feels soft and gentle, not too harsh on the skin. The fragrance is pleasant and fresh. It smells good, not strong, and it feels comfortable while using. So this is the complete unboxing of Dr. Sakhiya's Acne and Pimple face wash. Thanks for watching. Tata, bye bye, see you.